Hi there, this is Ben All with Keller Williams Realty, Bella Max Realty Group, and I am at 6605 EJAWS in Arlington this afternoon. Great property, gated neighborhood. We're about 2,700 square feet, a little bit over. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, got an office as well. Just a really functional floor plan. It's just recently been renovated. We've got new carpets, we've got fresh paint inside and out, we've got 2 brand new AC units. We also have a brand new roof on the house. This one's a must-see if you're looking in this area. Price is great as well, so come on in and let's take a look at this house. So when you come in, you can see it's just a really open, spacious floor plan, super high ceilings, lots of architectural interest in terms of how they've done the arches and just some of the openings throughout. The downstairs floor plan is really functional. So as you enter, you see you've got a formal dining, formal living area right at the entry. It can be very much a flex space for you. And I want you to notice just how bright this house is. It's very open and very bright, very warm throughout the entire house. As you come in, if you go off to the left, you will see this is where the study is. It could be a 5th bedroom, but it doesn't have a closet in it, so it's really set up as a study. We do have a 2-car garage off this front hallway, the laundry, as well as a half bath. You notice the stairs heading up, takes you up to the game room as well as to the additional 3 bedrooms upstairs. And then as you come into the great room, kitchen, family room space, just super open, super inviting, super warm. You've got a fireplace with a gas starter and the logs. Great wall of windows across the back, very nicely landscaped backyard. You do have a privacy brick wall across the back as well as the stone retaining wall. So it just gives you a really private backyard space. Great covered patio back there. And then in the kitchen, you've just got a really open, nice kitchen. You've got stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, island in the kitchen, high ceilings throughout. So a really inviting space for you to make your home. Back in the corner over here downstairs, we have the master, and this is a really spacious master suite. You've got a bay window seating area, a door to the back patio, high ceilings in here as well. Just a really nice, quiet retreat space for you as far as the master is concerned. And then the master bath is quite spacious. You've got double vanities here, you've got a separate tub and shower, walk-in closet, great space here as well. Just make it your own. It would be a beautiful setup for you. This is a really nice master area. So upstairs, as you come up the stairs, you'll see that we enter into the loft or game room area, a really spacious space. I think the area is 21 by 15 or something like that. And then you've got 3 bedrooms off of the area here. So you've just got a really great setup for kids, for teenagers, just a space where they can get away. Each of the 3 bedrooms upstairs are actually quite generous. Very large sized bedrooms, and they've all got ceiling fans in them, great windows, just a really wonderfully set up space upstairs. So this is an awesome home for you to come take a look at. As I mentioned, we are in South Arlington. We're just south of 20 off of Little Road. This is in the gated community of Pennsylvania Gardens. So please come take a look at it. Love to have you here and love to see you make this your home.